with a quick overview of the subtle body and a little bit of an explanation about what Sahaja Yoga is about.
我哋今晚嘅節目呢，係英語咧同埋廣東話咧係互用㗎。咁呢位先生咧講完一段英語之後咧，我就會用廣東話嚟解釋。咁等陣間主講人咧Srimataji講完之後咧，每一句咧我都會用廣東話嚟解釋㗎。咁咧歡迎今晚咧大家嚟到呢個薩哈加瑜伽嘅一個節目啦。咁咧我哋咧係再次咧係因為延遲呢個節目嘅舉行咧係道歉㗎。咁等陣間咧我哋咧會首先咧有一個好簡短嘅介紹，就係咧呢個薩哈加瑜伽靜坐法咧嗰個原理係點樣㗎。咁然後咧主講人咧Srimataji咧先開始咧向我哋咧係講一段嘅説話。
Srimataji has just been completing an Asian tour, and she's working very hard to tell as many people about Sahaja Yoga as possible.
Srimataji咧今次嚟香港咧，其實係佢呢個亞洲行程嘅一個部分嚟㗎。咁咧佢係20年嚟咧係不斷咧係周遊呢個各國咧係解釋呢個薩哈加瑜伽嘅練習嘅方法。咁呢一次咧佢喺呢個澳洲啦、日本啦、台灣啦，咁然後咧嚟到香港嘅。
Sahaja Yoga was established in 1970 by Srimataji Nirmala Devi, the lady we see in the photograph and that you've seen publicly no doubt.
呢個薩哈加瑜伽呢，最初咧係1970年嘅時候咧，由相片中呢位嘅女士啦，Srimataji啦係發明㗎。然後咧20年嚟咧，佢不斷咧係傳播呢種嘅靜坐嘅方法。
Srimataji is recognized worldwide as a great spiritual teacher.
Srimataji啦，我哋翻譯佢做石女馬特吉女士啦。佢係一個即係世界上咧係好知名嘅，同埋好多人咧係承認佢嘅一個精神嘅導師。
Her purpose, as she says, is like a catalyst to bring about a transformation within people.
Srimataji 呢個靜坐嘅方法咧，就好似咧一支咧點着咗嘅蠟燭啊，可以點着另一支嘅蠟燭一樣，係可以咧將呢個靜坐嘅境界咧係一個人咧傳俾另一個嘅人㗎。
This process is facilitated through the awakening of an energy which is in the sacrum bone. As we can see on the diagram here, it is a 3.5 bone energy.
嗱，點解可以傳俾另一個人呢？咁咧，我哋要了解咧呢個我哋人體裏邊一個能量嘅系統。嗱，大家喺圖上邊啦，就見到有一個人體嘅圖㗎。咁咧係一個三角形嘅 the triangular bone， 三角形嘅嗰個部分咧有一個圈一個圈㗎，係3圈半㗎。咁嗰個咧係一個咧潛在嘅生命嘅能量嚟㗎。咁如果我哋發動起嚟嘅時候咧，咁我哋嘅人咧就會好大嘅改變啦。
The Kundalini is like a mothering energy. This energy is called as Kundalini. Kundalini means coils.
呢個嘅潛在嘅力量咧，喺梵文裏邊咧就叫做 Kundalini 㗎。咁 Kundalini 呢個字咧，我哋中國人咧好古老嘅時候，成1000年前咧都已經知道㗎。咁當時咧嘅翻譯咧做均圖利㗎。咁但係其實咧呢個係譯音嚟嘅啫。如果佢係意思嘅話咧，係指一個圈咁解㗎。Kundalini 咧就係一個圈，因為佢成一個3圈半嘅形狀㗎。
The Kundalini responds to vibrations or to an environment. If people are enlightened or people are realized, the Kundalini will rise. And it does so rising up the spinal column. As you can see, there are 7 coloured centres which correspond up the spinal column. The Kundalini travels up the spinal column and then comes to the top of the head at the fontanelle bone.
呢個嘅 Kundalini 咧，我哋今日咧就譯佢做靈量啦。我哋根據個意思去翻譯咧，就靈量。咁呢個靈量咧，佢係一個母性嘅力量嚟㗎。咁咧佢同我哋嘅周圍環境咧有一種咧互相作用嘅關係。如果喺適當嘅環境同條件下邊咧，呢個靈量咧就會被喚醒同埋升起。咁咧佢經過咧幾個嘅能量中心，嗱個圈嗰啲咧係啲能量中心嚟㗎。一路咧係到達咧呢個頭頂呢個地方。
The Kundalini is a spiritual energy that is within every human being. and it has been there from the time immemorial. Basically, when the Kundalini rises, it brings the attention of the spiritual being into the conscious mind.
呢個靈量咧係一個靈性嘅力量，之所以我哋咁樣翻譯啦。咁呢個關於靈量嘅知識咧，其實係好古老噶啦，喺好多嘅遠古嘅典籍上邊咧都有記載㗎。咁如果個靈量嘅力量咧係升起同埋發動之後咧，一個人咧有好大嘅改變㗎。主要就係咧佢咧能夠咧接通咗咧一個靈性嘅了解。
The experience when the Kundalini rises through this center here in the forehead, known as Agni Center, and rises up to the top of the fontanelle bone, it actually puts the mind in a state of deep peace.
如果個人嗰個靈量咧能夠通過我哋額頭呢個嘅能量中心，一路升上去咧我哋頭頂呢個部分嘅第7個能量中心嘅時候咧，佢咧就進入咗呢個靜坐嘅狀態啦。呢個靜坐狀態咧係一個平安祥和嘅狀態，係一個無思無慮嘅狀態。
We call this state as thoughtless awareness.
咁我哋叫呢個狀態咧就係無思無慮嘅靜坐，或者無思無慮嘅入靜嘅狀態。
Where the mind is completely at peace, it's very still, there's no thoughts, you're completely aware of everything around you, it's a heightened state of awareness.
咁呢種狀態裏邊咧，我哋唔係冇咗知覺㗎，我哋對周圍環境發生嘅事咧，我哋仍然咧係好清楚咁樣知道。咁但係咧，我哋咧係冇雜念㗎，係喺無思無慮之中㗎。咁所以咧，我哋叫一個入靜嘅狀態。
Before the Kundalini is awakened, we predominantly function in the left or the right sympathetic nervous system. As we can see in this chart, it's the yellow channel or the blue channel.
嗱，我哋喺圖上咧，我哋見到咧係有3條嘅脈㗎，3條嘅經脈㗎。中間嗰條咧係白色嘅，右邊嗰條咧係黃色嘅，左邊嗰條咧係藍色嘅。咁當一個人咧，佢中間個經脈咧係未打通嘅時候咧，咁呢個人嘅身體嘅運作咧，就只能夠喺左邊嘅脈、右邊嘅脈咧去運作。咁喺醫學上邊咧，左邊嘅脈同右邊嘅脈咧，喺醫學上面咧係叫做呢個交感神經㗎。咁而中間嘅脈咧就叫做副交感神經。
I'll just describe some of the characteristics of the two channels. We see the yellow channel. It comes up and it crosses over to the optic chiasma. So we see that the left hemisphere of the brain is related to the right-hand side of the body. This part of the brain is responsible for all our mathematical, our logic, if you like, our logic centers in the brain. It's also responsible for our futuristic and planning activities.
嗱，我哋剛才咧講咗中間嘅經脈啦，咁現在咧我哋再講講咧兩邊嘅左脈同右脈。咁咧呢個黃色呢邊咧係右邊嚟㗎。咁右邊大家見到咧係從我哋呢個腹部開始咧，一路經過我哋呢個部分，呢個部分咧喺醫學上面咧就叫做視神經床㗎。咁然後咧連住我哋嘅呢個左邊嘅腦袋。咁呢個部分黃色呢個好似個氣球嘅咧，就係負責咧我哋嘅理性嘅思維啊、邏輯嘅思維啊，同埋計劃啊，或者計劃將來嘅啲事情㗎，係代表咧人咧係活躍嘅一個方面。
This channel is usually very developed in this day and age because really our whole society is geared up for futuristic planning, expansion, work. Everyone's very busy, so we tend to be predominantly working on this side. It's also responsible for our physical activities. 喺現代嘅社會咧，通常咧都係咧個右脈嗰方面咧比較活躍㗎，因為咧人咧太過匆忙啦，亦好強調咧我哋要不斷去計劃啊、去思維啦。咁所以一般人咧都會係右脈嗰邊咧係負荷過重㗎。咁右脈嗰邊咧亦係代表我哋咧體力活動嗰個方面㗎。When we're working, I'd say in Hong Kong's a good example. Usually we're very, very busy. Most people haven't got much time for anything. They're very working. And this channel becomes overactive. So some people have a problem when they go to sleep, they can't sleep. Their mind keeps going and they can't switch off. 香港咧就係一個好典型嘅咁樣嘅社會啦。每個人咧太過匆忙啦，於是咧呢個右脈咧就負荷過重。咁嗰個跡象係點樣咧？就好容易會失眠㗎。When we're overactive in this channel, as I say, it's difficult to switch off. You can also create tension in the body, where physically you start to have problems of stress, blood pressure increases, you may have hypertension and other ailments.
咁其他嘅病徵呢，就係包括呢係神經緊張啦，甚至呢係會引起呢個心臟病添㗎。
Similarly, on the left-hand side, it's responsible for emotional, feeling, or intuitive side. We can say the feminine side, and we can say also the yellow channel is the masculine side.
其實咧，呢個左邊經脈同埋右邊經脈咧，我哋中國人咧過去咧有啲了解㗎。其實咧就係陰陽嘅兩個方面啦。黃色嗰邊咧就係陽脈，而呢個藍色嗰邊咧我哋可以叫佢做陰脈。陰脈嗰邊咧係代表一個人咧係被動嗰個狀態㗎，或者咧係進入一個昏沉嗰種嘅狀態㗎。
The Chinese refer to these two channels as on the right side, the yellow channel is the yang, and the blue channel is the yin.
呢個就係中國人所講嘅陰陽。
So the significance is that we move from one channel to another, but when this energy is awakened, we have an opportunity to stay in a balanced state.
我哋中國人咧過去咧對於陰陽兩脈嘅知識咧係相當之豐富㗎。咁我哋嘅好多嘅醫學上邊啊、氣功上邊嘅知識咧，都喺陰陽嗰度咧係發展出嚟㗎。咁但係咧，我哋中國人咧對呢個中脈咧係了解比較少。
The other function of the energy, as I mentioned, it passes through these 7 energy centers. The other function is to re-establish balance and harmony within the body.
咁呢個中脈啊個能量升起嘅時候咧，就會穿過咧唔同嘅能量中心。咁個結果就係咧，我哋每個能量中心咧個能量都會加強啊，咁使我哋身體咧更加處於一個平衡嘅狀態，唔會走向左邊，亦唔會走向右邊㗎。
Each of the centers has a particular function within the body. These are subtle centers which are mirrored on the spine, and they control and look after all the vital organs of that region of the body. For example, say in the heart, it looks after the cardiac plexuses.
嗱，呢個中脈上邊咧，我哋見到有啲圈㗎，有唔同顏色㗎，咁係表示咧佢有唔同嘅功能㗎。呢啲能量中心咧有唔同嘅功能㗎。咁如果大家咧對照下咧呢個醫學解剖圖咧，就會知道咧其實咧呢個中脈咧就係相當於醫學上邊咧我哋脊椎骨嘅神經嚟㗎。咁而呢個圈咧就係咧脊椎骨上邊一啲主要嘅神經叢嚟㗎。
The energy centers also have particular qualities.
咁因為咧呢啲神經叢咧係照顧咧我哋身體唔同嘅器官㗎，咁所以咧每一個能量中心咧佢就會有特別嘅特性啦。譬如我哋呢個心臟呢個紅色呢個圈咧，呢個能量中心咧就係照顧咧我哋心臟呢部分嘅器官㗎。
For example, the first center, which we see the red center at the base of the spine, is the qualities that relate to this center are innocence and wisdom.
而喺最底下嗰個又係紅色嘅呢個咁嘅圈能量中心咧，係個特性係乜嘢咧？就係我哋嘅純真嚇，我哋思想上嘅、行動上嘅純真。
Through our action, through our thinking, we also put stress on these particular centers.
我哋行動上或者思想上咧，如果係冇純真嘅話咧，我哋就會對呢個嘅能量中心咧構成一啲嘅影響。
If that stress builds up too much, then the energy center stops working properly.
如果係太過度嘅話咧，甚至呢個能量中心咧就唔再發生作用。
The energy centers are referred to in Sanskrit as chakra.
喺梵文裏邊咧，呢啲能量中心咧就叫做 chakra。chakra 嘅意思咧係一個輪嘅意思，咁所以咧過去嚟講咧係翻譯成為輪或者係輪月㗎。
The word chakra means wheel.
chakra 呢個字係輪嘅意思，一個車轆嘅意思。
They work and they turn at different frequencies. Each one has a particular speed or frequency that they turn at. And they provide energy, as I said, for this region of the body. When they become blocked, they don't move freely. They actually seize up like a wheel stops.
點解叫做輪呢？因為佢事實上咧就好似個風車嘅，好似一個抽氣扇咁樣嘅。咁咧佢就會係有唔同嘅旋轉個速度㗎，同埋吸入咧能量㗎。咁如果咧我哋呢度咧係有阻塞或者係咧有啲唔好嘅污糟嘅嘢喺處咧，咁佢嘅速度咧會減慢㗎，甚至咧係完全唔喐㗎。
When the Kundalini rises and comes to the center, if it's blocked, it will start to clear that center.
咁升起我哋嘅中央嘅能量有咩好處呢？就係呢個能量呢，佢要經過幾個能量中心㗎。佢每經過一個能量中心嘅時候呢，同時呢係會清潔嗰個能量中心，使佢呢係作用得更加好。
As I said before, this Kundalini rising brings the attention of the spirit into the brain.
咁一路升上嚟嘅時候呢，一路升到呢個稍為高啲嘅能量中心嘅時候呢，我哋嗰個人嘅注意力呢就會喺我哋嘅比較高層次嘅一啲嘅地方啦。
This then links the nervous system, so we can then interpret on our fingers. We start to feel on our nerves, on the nervous system, what chakras or what centers are blocked. For example, if the heart center we see is blocked, we'll feel it manifesting on the little finger. If it's on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side, on the left finger. It's three centers in the heart.
嗱，如果我哋咧一路升上嚟呢個頭頂嗰處，呢度咧再通過最高嘅能量中心嘅時候咧，咁我哋咧就會多咗一種嘅知覺。我哋平日咧都有唔同嘅身體上嘅知覺，但係通咗之後咧，我哋有多種嘅知覺。咁呢種知覺係乜嘢咧？就係咧，如果我哋身體上嘅唔同嘅能量中心有問題嘅話咧，喺手指上邊咧，會喺相對嘅顏色嘅手指上邊咧感應得到㗎。舉例嚟講啦，譬如心呢個部分嘅輪穴咧係紅色㗎，咁我哋咧嘅尾指手指尾咧亦係紅色㗎。咁我哋會喺手指尾上邊咧係感覺到有赤痛或者係脹痛啦。咁我哋就知道咧，原來我個心呢個部分咧係有問題。
We can see that the right hand has particular colours that relate to the different fingers. We can see that the little finger is related to the heart, the thumb is related to the yellow center, the index finger or pointer finger is related to the throat, the middle finger, the green, is into the center of the stomach, and the silver finger is also related to the head, okay, the center of the head. As we see, there's two channels. The right hand relates to the right channel, the yellow channel, and the left hand relates to the blue channel.
圖上嘅顏色咧係方便大家咧係找出咧呢個對應嘅關係㗎。咁我哋見到啦，最底嗰個紅色嗰個咧就係呢個掌根呢個地方，跟住黃色嗰個咧就係手指公呢個地方，藍色嗰個咧就係我哋嘅食指，綠色嗰個咧就係我哋嘅中指。至於銀色嗰個咧，就係我哋前額呢個嘅能量中心。咁呢個咧係一一對應㗎。咁我哋就從我哋手上咧就知道自己嘅問題㗎。
This enables us to diagnose and find out exactly where the energy blockages are within the body.
咁咧，我哋就可以自己診斷自己啦。究竟咧我嘅問題喺邊一處？
So then we can actually direct energy with our own hands to these particular energy centers. And we can clear those centers.
我哋唔單止咧可以知道自己嘅問題邊處，同埋咧我哋咧好容易咧可以咧係醫治到自己。咁我哋知道個問題喺處嘅時候咧，我哋用啲好簡單嘅技巧咧就可以清理咗佢㗎啦。
Kundalini is like a coiled rope, and strands of the Kundalini will rise, and we may feel this energy of the Kundalini also on the top of our head, manifesting as a cool breeze.
咁究竟咧一個人嗰個中脈嘅能量個能量咧有冇升起咧？係有客觀嘅辦法咧去檢證㗎。個方法係咁㗎，即係如果嗰個能量係升起嘅時候咧，我哋如果擺隻手喺個頭頂上幾寸嘅地方咧，我哋會感覺到咧有陣陣嘅涼風㗎。
If there are any blockages in these channels and at the energy centers, we may feel heat.
咁咧開頭嘅時候咧。有啲人咧佢係升起得比較少一啲嘅，有啲人係好多㗎。咁有啲人咧就有時唔會涼嘅，有啲熱嘅。咁呢個咧係表示佢身體上咧有啲問題。
If we feel on our hands also a cool energy on our hands, it indicates that the channels are clear.
如果我哋咧感到手掌上咧好清涼，而且每隻手指咧都係好清涼，咁表示咧我哋身體嘅狀況好好啦。
If we feel heat on a particular hand, it's an indication that that channel is blocked.
如果係某一個部分 感到脹痛或者發熱呢，就係表示呢個部分呢係有阻塞。
If we feel individual fingers on the hand, we know that a specific chakra is blocked or not functioning properly.
有時候呢係整條經脈㗎，譬如話我哋整個左手或者整個右手都發熱呢，就係整條嘅左脈或者整條嘅右脈。有時候呢，只係一個嘅能量中心，譬如一隻手指呢，咁就表示係個別嘅能量中心嘅問題。
We then have the power or the ability to do something about that. We can direct, as I said before, direct energy to that center, move that energy and clear that blockage from that chakra or from that energy center.
咁我哋呢有啲好簡單嘅技巧㗎，就係呢，我哋對嗰個受到阻塞嘅能量中心呢，我哋傳送啲能量進去。
Then what happens is more strands of this Kundalini rise up the spinal column, and again you'll feel more cool at the top of the head, and your mind will become completely peaceful and still.
因為呢嗰個能量啊，個能量升起嘅時候呢，係要通過幾個嘅能量中心啊。咁佢哋呢好似啲圈咁樣㗎。如果個阻塞越少嘅時候呢，能夠升上嚟嘅能量呢就越多㗎。
It's in this state of meditation that we become sensitive to our spiritual being.
當我哋能夠升到頭頂以上呢個地方呢，咁我哋對於自己嘅靈性嘅存在呢，就會更加多嘅了解。
Not only do we become aware of our own spiritual being, but we become aware that there is an all-pervading power and energy within this universe. You start to feel it on your central nervous system.
我哋唔單止呢知道呢自己呢有靈性嘅一面，同時啦，我哋係感覺到呢係無所不在嘅呢個宇宙嘅力量咧喺我哋周圍。
And the good thing is that it's something you experience. It's not a theory. It's something that you actually feel and experience for yourself.
以上所講咧，大家咧係唔需要咧係立刻相信，我哋咧係可以咧自己試下咧，係咪真正咧係能夠感覺到呢種嘅力量㗎
？Many forms of meditation focus on concentration and focus of the mind.
有好多種咧嘅氣功啊或者靜坐方法咧，佢係通過咧一種手竅嘅形式，將個注意力咧係集中於身體某一個嘅輪穴嗰處㗎。
Or they focus energy in a particular part of the body.
係守住，譬如邊個穴道、邊個位咁樣㗎。
Once this energy is awakened, you have the ability to just switch off. Your mind can be completely still, as I said.
咁但係咧，如果我哋升起中脈嘅時候咧，我哋就唔係通過手竅個方法㗎。我哋唔需要守住身體上咧邊個嘅穴道、邊一個個位。呢個能量咧係好自然咁樣升起，而升起之後咧，我哋咧就係進入呢個好祥和嘅同埋無思慮嘅入靜。
When this stillness is established in the brain, the body becomes completely relaxed also.
同時咧，我哋身體咧就會感到咧好輕鬆。
Any physical problems like hypertension, any diseases or imbalances in the body gradually work out and they disappear.
呢個嘅能量咧可以醫治疾病㗎。佢升起嘅時候咧，會同時咧醫治我哋身體嘅唔同嘅疾病。譬如簡單嘅呢個神經衰弱啊、精神嘅緊張咧，好快就可以醫好。
Provided you practice this meditation regularly, you should have very good health.
所以咧就練習呢個薩迦瑜伽靜坐法嘅人咧，就個個身體都好好㗎。
Because when the body is in harmony and balance, it reflects at being healthy and vital.
點解咧？因為除咗身體之外咧，我哋內部咧係有一個結構咧支持我哋嘅身體嘅。如果內部呢個能量嘅系統呢個結構咧係健康嘅話咧，我哋嘅身體咧自然會健康啦。
We also become aware of that the thoughts that we have a direct effect within the body. For example, if we're a very angry person, we feel that energy focusing and concentrating at this center here.
有時候咧，甚至我哋嘅思想咧都會影響我哋嘅健康㗎。
We see that the anger within us has an effect physiologically in that our blood pressure goes up.
譬如一個人咧成日大動肝火、發嬲嘅咧，咁佢呢個右邊嘅經脈咧就會發熱㗎。咁發熱咧就會引起咧高血壓啊或者心臟病嗰類嘅疾病。
So you can see that states of mind also affect the state of the body.
咁所以咧，我哋嘅思想啊，同我哋嘅身體嘅健康狀況其實都係有關係。
If we treat our body like a machine and push it and push it and push it, eventually what happens is that something within the mechanism fails.
如果我哋做嘢咧做到不停啊，好似機器咁樣咧，咁我哋咧好快咧就會衰竭㗎啦。
It's all right when we're young, but when we become a little older, the things that we do when we're young start to manifest, they start to happen. Things go wrong with the organs. The kidneys stop working, things of a major nature can happen.
好多人咧其實就係用個透支嘅方法啦。我哋年青嘅時候咧，用透支嘅方法咧仲係可以㗎，但係到年老嘅時候咧，各種嘅病徵咧就會顯現出嚟啦。
The reason that we go to extremes and we see something like this happen is because we're not in touch with ourselves. We're not in tune with ourselves.
點解咁多人咧有咗病痛咧都唔知道咧？個原因咧就係喺個疾病出現嘅早期，或者身體咧出現問題嘅早期咧，佢哋冇辦法知覺得到嘅。
Personally, I found that the meditation has provided me a way of tuning in and understanding myself a lot better.
個人嚟講咧，我哋兩個咧都係感覺到咧，練習呢個靜坐法咧係更加能夠了解我哋嘅健康嘅狀況，同埋了解自己嘅。
You can very quickly see when you're going to extremes, and you can correct yourself and fix the problem before it gets to a major problem.
點解呢？因為如果我哋身體出問題嘅時候呢，喺好早期嘅時候呢，我哋已經感覺得到啦。咁我哋呢就去醫治自己。
I think nowadays this harmony and balance has become further and further away from most people's lives.
所以一個人呢，生活得平安，生活得和諧呢，其實好好嘅。但係可惜咧喺現代嘅社會呢，好多人呢係做唔到呢點，而且呢越嚟越遠㗎。
The other major significant thing about this energy awakening is that it brings you into a state of collective consciousness.
咁剛才我哋講過啦，如果能量升到上去第7個輪月更高之後啦，我哋有一種新嘅知覺㗎。咁呢種知覺咧，我有個名稱㗎，我哋叫佢一種叫集體嘅知覺。
This state of collective consciousness enables you to feel on your central nervous system the state of another person, how they are in terms of this subtle system.
我哋叫佢集體嘅知覺，或者叫做集體嘅意識。點解咁樣講呢？因為咧，我哋唔單止可以咧感覺到自己身體嘅問題，同時咧，我哋可以感覺到咧另一個人咧身體裏邊有啲咩問題。
And the beautiful thing about it is that you can share, once this experience, once the system is developed, you can share with another person.
所以咧，如果係兩個嘅練習者一齊嘅時候咧，咁就可以互相咧交換心得，互相咧幫助對方添。
You can also feel on your central nervous system where their problems are, and you can help to clear their problems also.
因為咧，我哋有呢個集體嘅意識啦，咁我哋互相咧都知道對方有咩問題，同時咧可以互相咧幫助。
So there are many things I could go on for hours and hours talking about the benefits and the things that you'll experience. But the purpose of tonight is to bring you into a state of awareness yourself, to bring you in a state of balance.
薩迦靜坐法啦，呢個係其實一個好廣泛嘅，係好豐富嘅知識，背後有好多嘢可以講㗎，可以講好多都得，亦可以咧有啲書寫咗出嚟㗎啦，有人做呢個博士研究㗎。咁講好多都得。咁我哋唔係希望咧大家係聽講座㗎，我哋意思唔係想咁㗎。我希望咧大家咧係用自己嘅感覺睇下咧係咪真係咁樣㗎。
And after tonight we have an 8-week course designed to bring you into a state of balance, designed to teach you about the practices that we do to maintain that balance.
喺今晚呢個講座之後啦，我哋咧會有一個8星期嘅初班課程㗎。咁咧喺呢個初班課程裏邊咧，我哋會跟進咧今晚所講嘅嘢，教大家咧係點樣咧有啲嘅感覺，同埋呢一啲好簡單嘅技巧咧係改善自己嘅身體啊，對自己了解更多啊，各種我哋剛才講嘅嘢咧都會講到㗎啦。
We will discuss the various centres and go into detail about each and every centre of this system. We'll describe qualities, the things that you can do to improve these centres, the things you can do to help maintain a balance in your life.
因為咧一晚係講唔晒咁多㗎，每一個嘅能量中心咧都有好多嘢可以講㗎。咁咧但係咧我哋簡簡單單咧就咁講。如果你呢啲嘅能量中心都係清潔嘅，你個能量係升起嘅時候咧，你就會有一個更加和諧嘅 一個更加係安詳嘅生活。
I think everybody here tonight is looking for something which is going to bring them into a state of balance. You may have come because of medical or physical problems. You may have come because you want to know something more about your spiritual being.
今晚在座各位嚟啦，都係一啲特別嘅人嚟㗎，唔會話完全冇原因就嚟㗎。在座咧，可能有啲人咧係有身體嘅疾病啦，或者有啲人咧，佢希望咧有一個更加好嘅人生啦，或者更加咧係了解自己多啲啦。
But I hope tonight that each and every one of you can experience some of the things that I've experienced over the years. And I think there's quite a few people that have been practicing Sahaja Yoga in Hong Kong for some 2 years now, and some of the things that they've experienced also.
呢啲嘢咧，其實咧大家好似喺度揾一啲嘢咁樣㗎。咁咧就我哋咧係推薦大家咧係今晚咧係聽下我哋主講人咧係點樣講呢個靜坐法嘅，同埋咧希望大家咧能夠咧係用自己嘅感覺咧去驗證一下咧我哋所講嘅身體上唔同嘅能量中心，呢個能量系統咧係咪真真正正存在嘅
？I'd like to spend a little bit of time just to talk about Sri Mataji before she arrives. She'll be here very shortly, and she will give you more information about this subtle being and about the experience of Sahaja Yoga. The word yoga, for people's interest, means union with the higher power.
跟住咧，我哋會講咧，就係薩迦瑜伽嘅創始人咧，呢個 Sri Mataji 咧，石女馬塔卡女士㗎。咁咧，我哋首先講下啦，咩叫做 Sahaja Yoga 啦 ？Sahaja Yoga 啦 ，Sahaja 呢個意思咧，其實係自然嗰個意思，自然而然嘅意思，唔需要人為勉強嘅，係自然㗎。Yoga 嘅意思咧就係聯合嘅意思，瑜伽嘅意思就係聯合嘅意思。咩叫聯合咧？聯合就係將個人嘅力量咧同宇宙力量咧建立一個聯繫溝通咁嘅意思嘅。咁所以 Sahaja Yoga 啦，如果我哋按呢個音嚟譯咧，就係譯做薩哈迦瑜伽啦。如果按意思嚟譯咧，我哋可以譯佢做咧自然靜坐法㗎。
Sri Mataji was born in I know people don't like talking about their ages, but Sri Mataji was born in 1923. She's 71 years old.
而家講到咧呢個今晚嘅主講人啦 ，Sri Mataji 女士啦。咁咧佢係1963年出世㗎，咁今年咧已經係71歲㗎啦。
She knew that she had a mission in life. She knew that she had these powers, and she knew that she had a purpose to give people self-realization, as it's described.
咁咧20年嚟咧，佢周遊各地咧，係傳授呢個薩哈迦瑜伽。咁點解咁辛苦啦？佢係希望咧係將呢個知識咧傳播咧俾全世界嘅人啦。佢覺得咧自己係知道呢個知識咧係有責任咁樣做㗎。
She was actually born into a Christian family in India.
石女馬塔卡女士咧，佢生長喺一個基督教嘅家庭，佢係印度人嚟㗎。
And the family is of a royal lineage. They were kings in previous times.
咁呢個先祖輩咧都係印度嘅皇族。
Her father and her mother were both very predominant in the freedom fight, India's independence from the British. They worked very hard.
石女馬塔卡女士嘅父母啦，係生喺咧就係同甘地咧係同時代㗎。咁當時印度咧係有獨立嘅運動啦，咁所以咧佢哋父母咧係支持咧呢個印度嘅獨立運動。
The family was very wealthy, but they put all their money into the freedom struggle.
呢個家庭咧好有錢㗎，咁但係咧佢哋將所有嘅家財咧都貢獻咧俾呢個印度嘅獨立運動。
Her family also were living and spent a lot of time with Mahatma Gandhi.
咁咧佢哋Sri Mataji自己啦，同埋佢嘅父母咧，都係認識呢個印度嘅聖人甘地啦，同埋咧係經常喺埋一齊㗎。
And as a girl, as a young girl, Sri Mataji was living in the ashram of Mahatma Gandhi with her parents, and he recognized that she had this innate spiritual quality.
石女馬塔卡女士細個嘅時候咧，就已經住喺咧甘地嘅 呢個靜室嗰處修行嘅。咁甘地咧當時咧係好賞識Shrimadaji 啦嘅對於靈性嘅了解同埋知識，經常咧都向佢請教。
In fact, he used to ask Shrimadaji for advice in spiritual matters.
咁當時咧Shrimadaji係好細個嘅啫，咁但係咧甘地咧都成日向佢咧係問一啲咧關於靈性方面嘅知識。
During her education, she studied medicine and psychology.
咁Shrimadaji大個啲嘅時候咧，佢就開始咧讀呢個心理學同埋醫學。
So that she could explain this knowledge in terms of modern science.
之所以咧，我哋今日用嘅名詞咧，都係好現代嘅名詞啦，將好個古老嘅知識，用今日咧甚至醫學嘅名詞咧去表達出嚟。
Because this knowledge is an ancient knowledge, it has been around for a long, long time.
呢個知識咧其實係好古老㗎啦。
And she has brought this knowledge into, as I say, a modern context to explain the connection with the nervous system and the organs of the body.
咁但係咧，我哋可以通過咧，譬如話左右嘅經脈，我哋叫佢做咧呢個交感神經；而中央嘅經脈咧，我哋叫做副交感神經。咁呢個其實都係啲醫學上面嘅用語嚟㗎。
And also the psychosomatic effects within the nervous system and on the physical body.
同時咧，我哋又講到咧身體上面咧唔同嘅神經叢㗎。如果大家翻去查醫學嘅書咧，就會發覺咧呢啲嘅能量中心咧，同我哋醫學書裏邊講嘅神經叢咧有相應嘅位置㗎。
Shrimadaji has arrived now, so I request everyone to stand and we can.
請各位起立。
Thank you. I'd like to introduce, and on behalf of Hong Kong Sahaj Yoga, I'd like to welcome Her Holiness Shrimadaji Nirmala Devi and welcome her to Hong Kong.
我哋歡迎謝女馬塔吉女士到訪香港。
She is having an exhaustive Asian tour and also Australian, and she's been travelling and travelling and travelling. So I think we're very privileged to have her here tonight. Thank you again, Shrimadaji.
It's all right. चश्मा दे दो हमारा चश्मा दे दीजिए कोई ask me for my spectacles. I bow to all the seekers of truth.
謝女馬塔吉女士向所有真理嘅追求者致敬。
At the very outset, we have to know that truth is what it is.
首先，我哋需要知道啦，真理係如其所遇嘅，係好似佢自己咁樣，係無可比擬嘅。
We cannot change it, we cannot conceptualize it.
我哋唔可以改變佢，我哋亦唔可以將佢概念化嘅。
Unfortunately, we cannot also know it with this human awareness.
好可惜啦！如果我哋僅有人類嘅知覺嘅話咧，我哋係無法咧了解真理。
Now, whatever I'm going to tell you, You need not, believe me, blindfolded.
無論呢今晚呢 Shimaji 向大家講乜嘢呢，大家係無需要呢盲目咁去相信嘅。
We have already suffered a lot by believing things blindfolded.
我哋盲目去相信好多嘅事物，好多嘅思想呢，已經呢令我哋呢吃盡苦頭㗎啦。
We must keep our mind open like scientists.
我哋應該呢好似科學家咁呢，有開放嘅頭腦。
And whatever I'm telling you should be treated like a hypothesis.
所以呢，今晚呢，石利馬太嘅女士同大家講嘅嘢呢，大家呢應該睇成一個科學嘅假設，去驗證下佢呢係咪真㗎。
But if it is accepted,
但係如果係真嘅話呢，
blindfolded is of no use.
你就要接受啦。但係你唔好去盲目咁去相信。如果盲目嘅相信事情係冇用㗎。
But if it is proved,
但係如果我哋能夠證明嘅話呢，
then you have to accept it as honest people.
咁啊作為一個誠實嘅人呢，咁你應該去接受佢係真嘅。
Because it is for the benevolence of your being.
點解呢？因為我哋承認真理呢，係我哋對自己有益。
It is for the benevolence of your family, your country.
亦對我哋屋企嘅人有益，對我哋整個國家有益。
And above all, it is for the benevolence of the whole world.
亦對全世界係有益。
Most of the problems of this world come from human beings.
呢個世界上大部分嘅問題呢，都係人類自己製造出嚟嘅。
And human beings have their problems when these centers are out of gear.
人類嘅問題呢，係點樣製造出嚟呢？當佢哋嘅能量中心出現問題嘅時候呢，
all your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, political, economic, every sort of problem comes from the same.
咁呢就會出問題啦。無論呢啲係身體上嘅問題，係情緒上嘅問題，甚至係社會制度上嘅問題、經濟問題、政治嘅問題呢，都會漸漸產生出嚟。
Some come from collective mistakes, but they all originate here within yourself.
有啲係集體性嘅問題，譬如係社會制度嘅問題，但係佢嚟源呢都係我哋身體嘅能量中心嗰度出現問題先嘅。
Now this subtle center exists within every human being.
呢個能量中心呢喺每一個人嘅人體裏邊都存在。
Whether you are Chinese, Japanese, Indian, anything.
無論你係中國人、日本人，抑或其他國籍嘅人。
And this power of Kundalini resides in the triangular bone which we call as sacrum.
而呢個能量呢嘅係喺我哋嘅三角骨嗰度㗎。呢個三角骨呢喺醫學上呢叫 sacrum bone 嘅意思係聖骨。
That means that the Greeks knew that this was a sacred bone since long.
呢個呢表示呢希臘人呢其實對呢個能量係有知識嘅，因為個譯名係希臘文嗰度嚟㗎。佢哋知道呢塊三角形嘅骨呢係有好神聖嘅力量㗎。
The real truth is that you are not this body, this mind, these emotions, intelligence, ego or conditionings.
嗱，真理係乜嘢呢？就係我哋呢唔係我哋嘅身體，亦唔係我哋嘅思想，亦唔係我哋嘅情緒，亦唔係我哋嘅自我，亦唔係我哋所接受嘅社會嘅制約。
But you are the pure spirit.
我哋都係一啲純粹嘅靈體。
We see these beautiful flowers. It's a miracle.
我哋見到咧呢啲美麗嘅花朵，呢啲係一啲奇蹟嘅創造嚟㗎。
We never even think how they come up in different colors, heights, fragrance.
我哋好少人去諗呢啲花朵咁靚呢係點樣做出嚟嘅呢？咁多嘅色彩，咁多唔同嘅樣態。
We never bother to know about the living process.
我哋好少人注到呢，呢個其實係一個生命嘅活生生嘅過程嚟㗎。
Who runs our heart?
係咩力量咧喺度主宰嘅咧？
We ask the doctor, he will say it is autonomous nervous system.
譬如話咧，咩嘅力量使我哋嘅心臟會自動會跳嘅咧？啲醫生就話咧，呢個係人嘅自動神經系統去調節嘅。
But who is this auto?
但係自動咁係點樣自動法咧？
So we don't want to know anything about the miracle of living process.
我哋就唔去諗啦。其實咧，我哋只係咧唔去諗啫。我哋唔想知道咧呢啲嘢各種嘅生命嘅奇蹟係點樣創造出嚟嘅。
It is done by a very subtle, powerful, dynamic energy.
呢啲嘢咧，生命嘅各種嘅創造咧，都係一啲咧好精微嘅力量咧喺背後去支持住佢哋嘅。
It's a power of divine love.
呢種嘅力量咧就係上天嘅浩愛，無所不在嘅愛。
In different religions, it is called by different names.
喺唔同嘅宗教裏邊咧，係有唔同嘅叫法。
But unfortunately, religions were never spirit-oriented.
但係咧，可惜咧，今日嘅宗教咧，佢哋唔係靈性取向嘅。
In the beginning may have been,
佢哋開頭嗰時係㗎，
but later on they drifted and became money-oriented or power-oriented.
但係咧過後佢哋就改變咗啦。一係咧就係追求權力，一係咧就追求金錢。
It was absolutely wrong
呢啲係絕對錯誤嘅。
to become money-oriented in the name of God.
用神嘅名義去賺錢，
God doesn't understand money.
神咧根本唔了解人類嘅錢係乜嘢。
How much do we pay to this Mother Earth to get these flowers?
就好似呢啲花開得咁靚，我哋究竟咧要向大地之母、向泥土俾幾多錢呢？
She doesn't understand money. She doesn't understand banking.
呢個神嘅力量係唔可以了解咩嘅錢，乜嘢叫銀行。
So the first and foremost thing we have to know, for the living process you cannot pay.
所以我哋要首先了解咧一個活生生嘅力量、活生生嘅過程咧，我哋係唔可以俾錢去買嘅。
We have not paid anything for our evolutionary process.
就好似我哋今日咧，大家都進化成為人類咧，我哋係唔需要俾任何嘅費用，唔需要俾錢嘅。
So for the further evolution, you are not to pay anything.
我
It
哋
is
唔係
absurd.
我哋唔係俾一錢咧先可以進化成為人㗎。
But so many ignorant ideas came up through blind faith.
但係咧，通過麻木嘅信仰咧，有好多咧好奇怪嘅滑稽嘅念頭咧、想法咧係做咗出嚟。
As a result of this happening, when the Kundalini rises, she passes through 6 centers and pierces through the last one here, the fontanelle bone area.
當我哋身體嘅能量咧係升起嘅時候咧，就會通過唔同嘅能量中心咧，最後達到咧呢個我哋天靈蓋頭頂呢個部分嘅第7個能量中心。
Thus she connects you to this all-pervading power, and your spirit starts enlightening your attention.
咁咧，我哋就同呢個無所不在嘅愛嘅力量咧建立到聯繫啦。咁而我哋嘅注意力咧就會感覺到咧我哋靈體嘅存在。
This happening takes place, and for the first time you can feel this all-pervading power on your fingertips.
當我哋有咗呢種嘅感覺、呢種知覺嘅時候咧，我哋就會第一次感覺到咧，我哋手指上邊咧原來係感覺到咧呢種力量嘅。
As cool breeze.
個感覺咧就好似一陣陣嘅涼風。
once you are connected, you become so powerful with your enlightenment that you are surprised at yourself.
當我哋咧係建立咗呢個感覺嘅時候咧，我哋就變成咧一個咧係好厲害嘅人。咁我哋咧就知道咧乜嘢係真，咩係假㗎啦。
Now, if this instrument is not connected to the mains, it has no meaning.
我哋要同呢個整體嘅能量咧建立聯繫，就好似呢個咪咧，如果唔係駁去總機咧，咁作用好細嘅啫。
In the same way, if you are not connected to the mains, then you have no identity.
所以咧，如果人啊唔係聯繫到呢個整體力量嘅時候咧，我哋會生活喺一個好狹窄㗎、好無知嘅情。
People paint their heads and wear funny dresses. They think they are expressing their identity.
就好似嗰啲人咧，去求道咧，佢哋咧有好多好好笑嘅，畫花個頭嘅，或者着啲好怪嘅衫嘅。
Identity is within yourself.
其實咧，我呢個人啊，對自我追求咧係向內在㗎，唔係喺外邊嘅表現出嚟。
With this happening, first thing that happens to you, that you become very peaceful.
咁我哋呢個能量咧升起嘅時候咧，我哋第一樣感覺到咧就係呢個平和同埋長。
The modern disease of stress and strain goes away.
我哋感到好安詳啦，我哋唔會再有嗰啲神經緊張啊、神經衰弱嗰種嘅疾病。
Especially in this Hong Kong, I find everybody has problems.
因為香港咧，全班人發覺咧，每個人咧都有神經衰弱、神經緊張呢類嘅疾病㗎。
Working so hard, and sometimes it ends up into big problems.
因為咧個個都搏命揾銀啦，所以咧產生好多嘅問題。
So what happens that we are all the time thinking about the future or the past.
咁我哋一般人咧，因為佢嗰個中脈冇升起咧，所以我哋經常咧一係就走向將來，一向咧就係過去嘅。
We cannot be in the present, which is
冇
the
法
reality.
冇發展喺中間嘅。其實我只係中間咧，我哋只可以知道真理。
So one thought rises, falls off, another thought rises, falls off, and we are jumping on the cusps of these thoughts.
呢個思維咧就係好似咧呢個波浪咁啊，一個思潮起啦、伏啦，又另一個思潮起伏啦。咁我哋喺呢個思潮之間咧，我哋冇法子停頓嘅。
But when the Kundalini rises, then these thoughts elongate.
但係咧能量升起嘅時候咧，嗰啲嘅思潮咧都平復落嚟啦。
And your attention stops at the present, which is the pause between the two.
咁我哋嘅注意力咧就可以集中喺現在呢一刻。呢個現在呢一刻咧就喺左右兩邊嘅中間嘅通道嚟啦。
That is what you are, the source of peace.
咁你就得到咧呢個平安，你自己就係平安嘅泉源啦。
That's how you become peaceful.
你就感到有平安。
You cannot do meditation,
我哋唔可以咧特登去入靜嘅，
but this is how you are in meditation,
我哋係自然咁入靜嘅，
absolutely at peace with yourself.
感覺到咧無比嘅平安。
Then the whole world you look
咁我哋咧就好似
as
咧，
if it is a drama, and you are the witness of that drama.
我哋咧就係好似咧同個世界咧建立咗距離咁樣。我哋睇呢個世界好似睇一出嘅戲，睇一出嘅戲劇。
I've seen many people who have got awards for peace. They have foundations for peace, big organizations for peace.
Shamaji 咧係見過好多人咧係得過呢個和平獎嘅，或者自己係和平基金會嘅負責人嚟嘅。
But they have no peace within.
但係佢哋咧內在係冇平安嘅。
They are extremely hot-tempered people.
佢哋咧脾氣好大㗎。
And if you have to go near them, you have to take a barge pole.
如果你去見佢嘅時候咧，你即係要小心㗎，要受佢哋氣㗎。
Such people, how can they create peace?
咁呢啲人咧，佢雖然話名咧係建立和平，但係佢自己冇和平咧，好難啊
Thus, this peace within yourself
呢個和平呢，平安其實喺內在嘅，
makes you thoughtlessly aware.
你使到我哋咧進入無思慮嘅入靜嘅狀態。
You are thoughtless, but you are aware.
我哋係冇雜念嘅，冇思慮嘅，
And you are in the present.
冇雜念冇思慮，但係我哋有知覺嘅。
And as I said, in the present is the reality.
呢個呢，就係我哋嘅注意力咧喺現在呢一刻，現在呢一刻呢，就係真正嘅現實啦。
When you have problems, you are as if in the waves of very high waters.
當我哋有問題嘅時候呢，我哋就好似喺大浪嘅頂點嗰度咁咯。
But somehow, if you can get onto a boat, you can see those waves and enjoy them.
但係如果我哋呢，喺個大浪嘅頂點，但係如果我哋喺個船裏邊，喺個艇裏邊呢，咁我哋唔怕㗎，我哋可以呢，好安心咁去睇住啲浪花添。
So you can see the problems yourself and then you can easily solve them.
因為我哋見到自己嘅問題呢，我哋好容易就可以解決到佢啦。
Your attention itself becomes enlightened.
我哋嘅注意力呢，就受到啟發。
Gradually, you see things clearly.
咁呢，我哋就會清楚呢，我哋自己追求啲乜嘢嘢。
But this attention is enlightened. So, your attention becomes pure.
當我哋嘅注意力受到啟發嘅時候呢，我哋嘅注意力呢，就變成好純粹。
There is no lust and greed in your attention.
我哋呢，就唔會再貪慕其他嘅嘢，變得好純粹。
As Christ has said, thou shalt not have adulterous eyes.
好似耶穌基督咁講，佢話呢，你哋唔應該有呢個淫邪嘅眼光。
It happens that your eyes become extremely innocent.
如果我哋嘅注意力係純粹嘅時候呢，我哋嘅眼神呢會好純潔嘅，我哋唔會去望啲淫邪嘅嘢嘅。
And there is a tingling of light in your eyes.
咁嘅時候呢，我哋嘅眼呢係有光。
And such a person, if he glances at anyone or even pays attention to anyone, he can help him in many ways.
呢個人呢，佢有個好大嘅能力，佢眼望邊一個，甚至呢，佢嘅注意力擺喺邊個人嗰度呢，都可以幫助到呢個人。
Your memory improves and you become extremely dynamic.
你嘅記憶力變得好好，同埋呢，你變得呢好有活力。
At the same time, you become extremely compassionate.
但同時呢，你亦係變得呢好有愛心。
It is surprising we develop so many of our qualities and talents which we were never aware of.
我哋呢，今日發展咗好多嘅能力同埋才能呢，我哋都係冇自己呢係知道
I
嘅。
have known of so many people in Sahajoga they came, and after coming to Sahajoga they have become now world famous musicians and artists.
好多練習薩克加瑜伽嘅靜坐法嘅人呢，佢哋呢今日都成為呢好出色嘅音樂家。
They have achieved great heights, but they have no ego.
佢哋呢達到好高嘅高度，但係呢，佢哋呢係冇驕傲嘅心㗎，冇自我㗎。
They are extremely, extremely humble.
佢哋係好謙虛㗎。
And suddenly they have become very righteous people.
同時呢，佢哋嘅行為呢係好正義㗎。
You may be a Hindu, Muslim, Christian, any community, any religion.
呢啲人呢，
Yes.
呢啲人呢可以係印度嘅教徒，又可以係其他宗教嘅人士。
But you can commit any sin.
但係呢，佢哋呢嘅表現都係一樣㗎。
And this sin you can commit, despite the fact you may say, I'm this fanatic, that fanatic. that means religion has done nothing good to you.
嗱，嗰啲嘅宗教狂熱嘅人呢，佢哋呢可以係咁樣係咁樣，但係其實宗教呢係一種內在嘅宗教嚟嘅。
But after self-realization, you really become a righteous person.
只有呢係呢個能量升起之後啊，我哋叫做呢係得到自覺，得到自覺之後呢，咁呢你至能夠呢真正了解宗教。
Christian becomes a real Christian, a Buddhist, a real Buddhist, Hindu, a real Hindu.
基督徒呢就成為真正嘅基督徒，佛教徒呢成為真正嘅佛教徒，印度教徒成為真正嘅印度教徒。
All these powers are within you, of which you are not aware.
呢啲力量呢都係我哋內在存在嘅，我哋而家仲未知道。
Only the trouble is that you have to have a pure desire to get your self-realization.
我哋所需要嘅呢，其實呢係只要有咧真正求道嘅心，我哋希望呢得到自覺，希望你嘅能量升起。
All other desires are not pure.
呢個慾望呢係純粹嘅，其他慾望都係唔純粹嘅。
Because one desire is fulfilled, you ask for another.
其他嘅慾望係咁嘅，得到滿足之後呢，又有另一個慾望啦。
It is not satiable in general, as said by economics.
就好似經濟學咁講，佢話人嘅慾望呢，一般地係唔能夠得到滿足。
So this is the pure desire you have, of which you may be aware or may not be aware.
我哋只有呢純粹慾望呢，即係真正嘅好嘅慾望。
And unless and until this is fulfilled, you are not going to be satisfied with yourself.
除非咧，我哋有呢個純粹嘅慾望呢，否則其他嘅慾望呢係唔會真正得到滿足嘅。
Another thing that happens to you, which is very remarkable, that you know the absolute truth on your fingertips.
當我哋嘅能量升起嘅時候呢，有一樣嘢呢係好緊要，就係呢我哋開始呢喺個手掌上邊呢係感覺到呢絕對嘅真理。
I've seen people get befooled by somebody who says, I am such and such, I am such and such.
Shrimandaji 咧見過好多人呢係俾人哋嘅花言巧語去呃㗎，話自己係邊一個，有咩能力，佢哋走去信佢，於
There
是
are
俾人呃咗。
many false people
有好多假嘅導師㗎，
who have befooled and have made money out of it.
佢哋呢係去呃人啦，同埋去呃佢哋嘅錢，
Also, they have mesmerized you.
同埋呢佢係催眠你哋嘅。
Also, they have spoiled your kundalini.
唔單止咁啊，佢仲呢破壞咗你嗰個能量嘅系統。
So how will you know that the person is false or true?
咁我哋點樣知道啊？一個人係真嘅導師啊，抑或係假嘅導師呢？
You can feel it on your fingertips.
我哋可以通過我哋嘅手指去知道。
You can know it on your fingertips.
手指我哋就可以知道。
What sort of a person that one is.
我哋可以感應呢，佢究竟係一個點樣嘅人？
Many people who don't believe in God,
好多人呢，佢唔信神㗎，
I think it is very unscientific.
佢哋認為呢係咁係唔科學㗎，信神係唔科學㗎。
First one should find out and then decide.
其實呢，佢哋呢種態度係好唔科學。首先你要去試下揾下，去證明下，咁呢，然後你先好下判斷。
But through Sahaja Yoga, you can find out.
通過薩迦瑜伽呢，你可以去知道呢究竟神係咪存在㗎。
Everything is tangible. It's not just a lecture or a sermon. It is tangible.
所有嘢你都可以自己去感應到、去驗證、去判斷嘅。
For example, in Delhi, there are 3 doctors who got their MD in Sahaja Yoga for curing many diseases.
喺印度嘅德里呢，已經有3個嘅醫生呢，佢因為寫薩迦瑜伽嘅論文呢，得到醫學博士嘅銜頭㗎啦。
And it is your own power
呢個力量係我哋自己嘅力量嚟㗎，
which does the job.
呢個力量就會做一切嘅工作。
It's only you who gains it.
咁點解我哋升唔起呢？就係、我哋自己唔願意嘅啫。
So there is no obligation of anyone.
咁呢度係我哋自己去做選擇㗎。
Above all, you jump into the ocean of joy.
當我哋嘅能量升起嘅時候呢，我哋就進入呢個呢係喜悅嘅海洋、歡樂嘅海洋。
That means it's not like happiness and unhappiness.
呢種嘅喜悅呢，唔係我一般所講嘅開心唔開心。
If your ego is pampered, you feel happy.
我一般所講嘅開心唔開心呢，其實就係我哋嘅自我。如果我哋嘅自我得到滿足嘅，人哋讚下我哋呢，我哋就好開心。
If it is punctured, you feel unhappy.
人哋唔讚我哋就唔開心。
But I'm talking about joy,
但係 joy 呢係喜悅，喜悅係唔同嘅，
which is absolute.
佢係絕對嘅。
And you jump into the ocean of joy.
我哋呢會進入呢個喜悅嘅海洋。
In this short lecture, I'm sorry I won't be able to tell you everything about Sahaja Yoga.
喺咁短嘅演講裏邊呢，係唔可能咧講晒關於薩迦瑜伽嘅知識。
And one has to be little patient with oneself.
我哋咧對自己咧係有少少嘅耐心，
Because this is the ultimate you have to achieve.
因為咧呢個係我哋要達到嘅最後一個嘅階段。
Otherwise, your personality has no meaning.
如果唔係嘅話咧，我哋作為人咧就冇意思啦，
It has no purpose.
冇咗目的啦。
The highest thing that happens is that you achieve a new dimension which we call as collective consciousness.
我哋要達到嘅高度咧，就係我哋有一種嘅新嘅意識，我哋叫做集體嘅意識。
That is on your fingertips, you can feel another person.
集體嘅意識嘅意思咧，就係我哋嘅手指啊，我又可以感覺到別人嘅身體嘅毛病喺邊度。
You can find out what's wrong with another person.
我哋知道別人嘅毛病喺邊一度。
Not only that you know about yourself, the self-knowledge, what's wrong with you,
所以唔單止係對於自己嘅了解，
but you know about others.
同時係對於其他人嘅了解。
If you know how to correct your centers and that of others, you solve the problem.
如果我哋能夠咧係診斷同埋醫治自己，同時我又能夠咧係診斷同埋醫治別人咧，所有問題都可以解決嘅。
But Sahaja Yoga is not meant for frivolous people.
但係呢，薩迦瑜伽咧唔係俾一啲咧好低水平嘅人，
Or for idiots.
亦唔係俾嗰啲即係黐線啊、白痴嗰啲人。
I'm sorry. One has to understand that this is so important for the world to change.
呢個係好緊要㗎，呢個力量咧，甚至可以改變整個世界。
And if you want to have your self-realization, you must know how important you are to be born at this time when I call it a blossom time.
如果你係希望得到自覺嘅話咧，你要知道咧，你生長喺呢個時代咧，一個好緊要、好幸運嘅時代。呢個時代係一個開花結果嘅時代。
This is the last judgment.
呢個咧係最後審判嘅時代。
Your Kundalini will judge you.
我哋嘅力量咧係會審判我哋自己。
This is the resurrection time, Qiyamah,
呢個咧就係所謂救贖嘅日子，
which Muhammad Sahib has described in the Quran, that at the time of Qiyamah, your hands will speak.
呢個咧就係回教嘅穆罕默德所講嘅，亦喺古蘭經裏邊記載㗎。到咗呢個救贖日子咧，我哋嘅手咧都會説話。
I know you have some questions,
在座咧可能有一啲問題，
but I have to tell you one thing, that I have now been doing this work for the last 25 years.
Shrimataji 咧喺過去20幾年咧已經係周圍咧係演講㗎啦。
And I know all kinds of questions that people ask.
咁佢已經遇到咧 不知幾多嘅各種各樣嘅問題啦。
And I'm too clever, I can answer all of them.
佢咧已經好慣於咧回答呢類嘅問題。
But it's a mental act.
但係咧，呢啲問題其實咧都喺我哋嗰個思維嘅層面裏邊嘅啫。
What you should get your self-realization and self-knowledge.
最重要嘅係要我哋都要得到自覺，得到咧我哋對於真我嘅知識，呢啲係先係重要嘅。
But still, if you have questions after that, you may write to me.
嗱，如果大家係有問題嘅話咧，可以係寫信俾 Shrimataji 㗎。
It will hardly take about 10 to 15 minutes to get your self-realization.
得到自覺咧，個好快、好簡單嘅過程嘅，5分鐘、10分鐘都做到㗎啦。
It's all built in within you.
點解咧？因為呢個能量中心咧，呢個能量嘅系統咧，已經一早喺我哋嘅身體裏邊存在。
But there are 3 conditions you have to follow.
但係咧，我哋首先咧要知道有3件事啦。
The first condition is that you are not to feel guilty.
第一件事咧，我哋就唔好有罪疚感。
Because if you feel guilty, it's a myth.
嗱，如果我哋咧感到有罪疚嘅時候咧，咁我哋咧就會有一啲嘅阻塞㗎。
If you make mistakes, all right, face it.
如果我哋過去有犯錯嘅時候咧，都唔需要感到有罪疚，我哋面對佢就得㗎啦。
But don't feel guilty because you spoil this side of the chakra on the left-hand side.
如果我哋感到有罪疚感嘅時候咧，我哋呢個頸同膊頭呢邊啊就會有阻塞㗎。
By which you get angina. Also, you might get cervical cancer, spondylitis.
咁咧，我哋會引起咧呢個部位嘅好多嘅疾病添。
And lethargic organs.
咁咧，我哋呢類嘅疾病咧，通常係一啲嘅癱瘓啊，或者係移動困難，因為呢邊咧係一邊個分層嗰邊嚟㗎。
The second condition is even simpler.
第二樣我哋要知道嘅咧，
That you have to forgive everyone.
我哋要原諒所有嘅人。
Many people say it is difficult to forgive.
有人話咧，去原諒人好難嘅。
But logically, whether you forgive or don't forgive, what do you do?
但其實我哋諗深一層咧，無論我哋原諒人哋或者唔原諒人哋咧，係冇乜分別㗎。
You don't do anything.
你唔可以對對方做啲乜嘢㗎。
But if you forgive, then you don't play into wrong hands.
但係如果你去原諒嘅時候咧，咁你就唔會傷害到自己啦。
Moreover, the center here, which we call as Agya Chakra, the optic chiasma, is a very constricted chakra like this.
喺我哋呢個部分咧，呢個嘅我哋叫做咧係寬恕輪呢個能量中心咧，係一個咧係好狹窄嘅能量中心㗎，中間嘅通道係好狹窄㗎。
If you don't forgive, it won't open.
如果我哋唔原諒人哋嘅時候咧，佢係唔會打開嘅。
And the Kundalini won't pass through it.
能量就唔可以通過啦。
So as it is, you have tortured yourself by not forgiving, and at this great moment, again, you will miss the point of self-realization.
所以咧喺今日咁重要嘅時刻，你都唔肯去原諒人哋嘅時候咧，咁你就會錯過咗所有嘅嘢啦。
You don't have to think about whom you have to forgive.
我哋唔需要咧一面講話要原諒人，一面要諗翻過去嘅嘢㗎。
But in general, you have to say in your heart, I forgive everyone.
我哋唔需要諗特別邊個㗎，我哋就話咧，一般嚟講，我原諒所有嘅人。
Third condition is that you have to be absolutely confident.
第三樣
You're right.
第三樣嘅條件咧，就係我哋一定要有自信心。
That you can get your self-realization tonight.
我哋今晚咧，每個人咧都可以得到自覺。
You must have faith in yourself.
我哋要對自己有信心。
Some people think that they are not good and they have done wrong and all that. Forget it just now.
有啲人咧可能覺得咧，自己唔係幾好，或者我過去犯好多錯，唔需要啦，唔需要再諗佢，忘記
Please
咗
do
佢，
not condemn yourself,
唔好睇低自己，
but be pleasantly placed towards yourself.
要對自己有信心。
But if you are frivolous, it won't work out. I have told you already.
嗱，如果大家對自己冇信心嘅時候咧，就未必做得到㗎。
So I respect your freedom.
Shamaji 咧係尊重大家嘅意
And
志上嘅
those
自由。
who do not want to have self-realization should leave the hall to be civil to others.
嗰啲咧唔想升起能量嘅，唔想得到自覺嘅人咧，現在咧請離開呢個禮堂。
Would be a better idea that those people who do not want to have their self-realization should leave the hall.
嗰啲唔希望升起能量、唔希望得到自覺嘅人咧，請離開禮堂。
Lastly, this is not an individual happening.
呢個過程咧唔係一個個人嘅過程嚟㗎，
But it is a collective happening.
係一個集體嘅過程嚟㗎。
The microcosms become the macrocosm.
微觀嘅生命咧變成宏觀嘅生命，
You become part and parcel of the whole.
我哋變成咧整體嘅一個部分。
So this is a collective happening.
所以呢個係一個整體嘅過程。
After getting your realization, you must take it seriously.
所以咧，今晚大家得到呢個自覺之後咧，就
And
要
you have to grow.
咧認真咁去對待佢。我哋咧仍然要繼續去進步，要生長㗎。
So that you reach that state which we call as doubtless awareness.
我哋一路咁樣進步，一路生長咧，直到我哋咧達到一個階段咧，我哋叫做無疑惑嘅知覺。
You don't have any doubts after that.
我哋冇任何嘅疑惑，
And you get your powers to give realization to others.
同時咧，我哋有能力咧去提升別人嘅能量，
You can cure others.
我哋可以醫治別
You
人，
can help others.
我哋可以幫助人哋，
And you can work as an instrument of the divine.
我哋咧可以作為咧上天嘅力量，應該無所不在力量嘅一個表現嘅途徑。
This is what is the purpose of your life.
呢個咧係我哋作為人嘅一個目的。
So I would request again the people who don't want to have self-realization to leave the hall.
Shamaji 咧再次要求啦，嗰啲唔希望升起能量啊，唔希望得到自覺嘅人咧，請你哋離開呢個禮堂。
You have to come to our follow-up programs where they will tell you each and everything about the subtle system, the knowledge about the divine.
喺今晚呢個講座之後咧，大家仍然要咧係嚟呢個練習班㗎。我哋咧係會向大家解釋咧所有關於呢嘅能量系統
And you don't have to pay for it,
同埋呢個能量中心各方面嘅知識，你係唔需要俾任何嘅費用㗎。
but you have to give some time to yourself, that's all.
你只要花啲時間就學會㗎啦。
Nobody wants to go. All right. Then you come up. I have to show. Now, first of all, I will show you how you have to nourish your own centers, which is very simple.
首先咧，Shamaji 咧會教我哋咧點樣去滋養我哋嗰個能量嘅中心㗎。
Before that, I would request you to take out your shoes because this Mother Earth helps us a lot.
嗱，現在咧大家咧係除咗對鞋啦，將個雙腳咧放喺地上，呢個係大地之母嘅力量嚟㗎。
These two persons are laughing too much. I don't know why. These two people, because
有兩位朋友咧
because
不
are
斷
laughing
喺
too
度
much.
笑㗎嚇。 點解啊？
These two persons, why are you laughing so much, disturbing
不
everybody?
斷咁樣笑下，騷擾其他人，
They're quite grown-up people, not children.
唔係細路仔啦啊！
You shouldn't disturb others, you see.
如果你唔希望升起能量咧，請你離開啊，唔好再騷擾其他人。
Now, as there are two powers, left and right, which are acting differently, are complementary, you please put both your feet apart from each other.
因為係左右咧係有兩個唔同嘅力量㗎，咁所以我哋兩腳咧要分開。
We are using left and right side in such a way that you put the left hand towards me, because left side is the power of desire, mundane desire.
我哋咧係用嘅右手嘅手掌咧，向住咧係石女馬特吉女士㗎。呢、個對唔住係左手嘅手掌。呢個左邊咧係一個純粹慾望嘅力量嚟㗎。
That means you desire your self-realization.
我哋將個左手咧係向住石女馬特吉女士咧，係表示咧我哋係希望咧係得到自覺。
You can keep it comfortably on your lap.
嗱，我哋咧將個左手咧好舒服咁放喺呢個大腿上邊，
You have to be comfortable.
要舒服㗎嚇。
You don't have to go to Himalayas and stand on your heads, nothing.
我哋今日唔需要咧修行咧走上去喜馬拉雅山啊，
Nor you have to give up your families, nothing of the kind. It is inside happening.
我哋唔需要咧又要出家咁樣㗎，呢個全部都係一種內在嘅力量嚟㗎。
Please put your right hand on your heart.
呢個右手咧放喺心臟嘅位置，
In the heart resides the spirit.
心臟嘅位置咧就係靈量嘅所在，靈體嘅所在。
If you become the spirit, in the light of the spirit, you become your own guide, your own master.
如果我哋喚醒呢個靈體嘅力量嘅時候咧，我哋喺個靈體之光裏邊嘅時候咧，我哋就係自己嘅導師。
So please take your right hand in the upper portion of your abdomen on the left hand side.
跟住咧右手咧放喺上腹嘅位置，左邊上腹嘅位置。
This is the center of your mastery,
呢度咧係導師嘅能量中心，
which you achieve in no time. Surprisingly, the center for divine knowledge is in the lower portion of your abdomen on the left hand side. We are working only on the left hand side.
嗱，然後咧我哋將右手咧放喺左腹下腹個位置。嗱，呢度咧係關於呢個純粹知識或者係上天嘅知識嘅一個能量中心嘅位置。
Now, raise your right hand again and put it in the low portion of your abdomen.
下腹嘅位置撳住，即係小掩個樹啊，撳實啲。
This is the center of divine knowledge.
呢個咧係上天知識真正知識嘅中心。
Now, please take your right hand in the upper portion of your abdomen
然後咧右手擺翻喺上腹嘅位置，
and press it hard.
撳實啲，
Now on your heart.
然後再放喺心臟。
Now in the corner of your neck and shoulder and turn your head to your right.
然後咧放喺膊頭同埋頸中間，頭咧手向右轉，撳實。
I've already told you about this center.
Ne-
Now raise your right hand up to your forehead across and put down your head.
然後咧右手咧放喺前額嗰處，個頭咧耷低啲。
This is the center where you have to forgive.
呢個中心呢，我哋要原諒所有嘅人㗎。
Now, take this hand on the back side of your head
右手再放喺後枕嗰處，
and push back your head as far as possible.
頭呢向後仰。
This is the center where, without feeling guilty, without counting your mistakes, you have to ask forgiveness from the divine power.
喺呢處呢，我哋希望呢，上天呢原諒我哋嘅過錯，我哋唔好有罪過，唔好再有罪疚感。我哋只係講，如果我做錯乜嘢呢？請原諒我。
Now, the last center, please stretch your palm.
而家呢，我哋擘開個手掌，
Put the center of your palm on top of the fontanelle bone area,
掌心呢係撳實我哋頭頂最高嗰個位置，
which was a soft bone in your childhood.
就即係我哋細個嘅時候呢，個腦筍嗰個位置。
Now push back your fingers.
嗱，我哋嘅手指向上翹，咁啊接觸得更加好啲㗎。
Please put down your head as far as possible
個頭呢，盡量耷低啲，
and move the center or the scalp 7 times slowly clockwise.
然後呢，我哋撳實個頭皮呢，係順時針方向呢，係好慢咁樣轉7次，
Put down your heads, put down
耷
your
低個
heads.
頭，
Now push back your fingers, push back.
個手指向上翹，撳
Put the
實啲，
pressure, put the pressure
撳
on
實
you
啲嚇，要有力
and
撳住
move
㗎。
it. Yeah,
順時針方向㗎，慢慢轉7次，係轉嗰
that's
個
all
頭
we
皮㗎
have to do. That's all we have to do.
嗱，呢個就係我哋等陣間要做㗎，我哋合埋眼做㗎。
Hold on, let it go. Now again, remember to put your both the feet apart from each other.
嗱，而家兩腳要分開，
Your left hand on your left lap.
左手呢放喺左腿上邊啦。
And take out your spectacles
嗱，唔需要戴眼鏡㗎啦
because，you have to close your eyes
要合埋雙眼做㗎嚇。
and please don't open them till I tell you.
嗱，就唔好再擘開眼啦啊！叫你先擘開嚇。
Now, close your eyes
嗱，合埋眼啦。
and put your right hand on your heart.
右手呢放喺心臟嘅位置。
Here you have to say,
呢度我要講呢，
a very fundamental question you have to ask
我哋要問
about
一個
yourself.
好根本嘅問題。
You can call me mother or you can call me Shri Mataji.
我哋呢可以呢稱 Shrimataji 啦，或者係稱呼 Mother 都得。
So ask a question 3 times in your heart. Mother, am I the spirit?
我哋呢要由衷咁樣呢係問一個問題3次。Mother，我係唔係一個靈體呢？
3 times.
問3次。
I've told you that if you become the spirit, you become your guide, your own master.
當我哋成為靈體嘅時候呢，我哋就成為自己嘅導師啦。
So please take your right hand in the upper portion of your abdomen on the left hand side.
而家呢，將右手呢放喺左邊上腹嘅位置，
Press it hard and ask another question
用力撳實，同時問一個咁嘅問題。
3 times,
我哋問3次㗎。
fundamental about you. Mother, am I my own master?
Mother，我係唔係自己嘅導師呢？
I've told you I respect your freedom and I cannot force pure divine knowledge on you. You have to ask for it.
Shrimataji 咧係尊重咧每一個人嘅自由㗎，係唔可以咧強迫你㗎。你要係自己去希望去要求得到真正嘅知識。
So please take down your right hand in the lower portion of your abdomen.
現在將右手咧放喺左邊下腹嘅位置，
And ask 6 times because this center has got 6 petals.
我哋係問6次㗎，因為呢個能量中心咧係有6塊嘅花瓣。
Mother, please give me pure divine knowledge.
Mother，請讓我得到純粹嘅上天嘅知識。
As soon as you ask for divine knowledge, the Kundalini starts rising.
當我哋咁樣問嘅時候咧，能量咧就開始升起啦。
Loudly. Please tell loudly. So, we have to open our higher centers with our full self-confidence.
嗱，我哋又好有信心咧，繼續打開咧之上嘅能量中心。
So raise your right hand in the upper portion of your abdomen on the left hand side.
而家右手咧放喺左邊上腹嘅位置。
Here you have to say 10 times with full self-confidence. Mother, I am my own master.
喺呢度咧，我哋又好有信心咁樣咧講10次㗎。Mother，我係自己嘅導師，講10次嘅。
10 times. I have already told you that you are not this body, this mind, these emotions, intelligence, ego and condition.
我哋唔係呢個身體，唔係呢個嘅情緒，唔係呢個嘅自我，亦唔係我哋嘅所接受嘅社會嘅制約。
But you are the pure spirit.
我哋係純粹嘅靈體。
So please raise your right hand on your heart and say with full confidence.
而家咧，我哋右手咧放喺左邊，即係心臟嗰個位置啦。我哋好有信心咁樣講，
12 times.
要講12次㗎。
Mother, I am the pure spirit.
Mother，我係純粹嘅靈體。
This divine power is the ocean of knowledge. It is the ocean of bliss and compassion.
呢個上天嘅力量呢，係知識嘅泉源，亦係平安嘅泉源，亦係愛心嘅泉源。
But above all, it is the ocean of forgiveness.
但係呢，首要嘅呢係寬恕人哋、原諒人哋嘅一個力量嘅泉源。
So whatever mistakes you have committed, it will be all forgiven.
所以無論呢，我哋犯過乜嘢嘅錯誤呢，我都可以得到寬恕，得到原諒㗎。
So please forgive yourself.
我哋要首先原諒自己，
And put your right hand in the corner of your neck and shoulder and push your head to your right.
我哋而家呢，係將右手呢放喺膊頭同埋頸中間嘅
Here
位置。
again, with full confidence, you have to say 16 times, Mother, I am not guilty at all.
喺呢度呢，我哋要講16次㗎。Mother，我並無罪疚感。講16次㗎。
I've already told you that logically, whether you forgive or don't forgive, you don't do anything.
無論呢，我哋係原諒人哋，唔原諒人哋呢，係冇分別㗎。我哋做唔到啲咩嘢傷害對方㗎。
But if you don't forgive, then you play into wrong hands.
但係我哋唔原諒人哋呢，我哋只係傷害自己嘅啫。
And at this moment, if you do not forgive, in general, this center won't open.
如果我哋唔原諒人哋呢，呢個能量中心係唔會打開㗎。
So, please raise your right hand on top of your forehead across and put down your head.
而家呢，我哋右手放喺前額，個頭呢係耷低。
Here you have to say, Mother, I forgive everyone in general. Don't think about them.
呢度呢，我哋要講 Mother，我原諒所有嘅人，唔需要諗邊個㗎，就咁講，我原諒所有嘅人。
Here it is to be said from the heart, not how many times.
呢度要好衷心咁講㗎，次數多少冇所謂㗎。
Now, without counting your mistakes, not feeling guilty, for your satisfaction, you have to ask forgiveness from the divine power.
如果我哋呢係自己心舒服啲呢，我哋可以向上天呢係要求呢佢係寬恕我哋。
So please take your right hand on the back side of your head and push back your head.
所以呢，我哋可以將右手呢放喺後枕嗰處，頭呢向上仰。
Here again, you have to say it from your heart.
呢度呢，我哋要好衷心咁樣講㗎。
O divine power, if I have done any mistake, knowingly or unknowingly, please forgive me.
你話呢，上天嘅力量啊，如果我有犯過錯誤，我有意嘅或者係無意嘅，請原諒我。
Now the last center, please touch your palm as much as you can.
而家呢，到咗最後個能量中心啦，我哋呢係擘開個手掌。
And put the center of your palm on top of the fontanelle bone area.
右手嘅掌心呢，放喺頭頂最高嘅位置。
Now push back your fingers, it is very important.
個手指呢向上翹㗎，個壓力更會大啲㗎。
And please put down your head.
個頭呢係耷低。
Here again, I have to say that I cannot force self-realization on you. You have to ask for it.
Shimadaji 呢係唔可以勉強大家嘅，大家呢係要自己呢去希望得到，去要求嘅。
Because I respect your freedom.
因為 Shimadaji 呢係尊重大家嘅自由。
So, move your scalp with a pressure 7 times clockwise, saying, Mother, please give me self-realization.
我哋而家呢係撳實個頭皮呢，係旋轉，順時針方向轉7次，每轉一次呢，我哋就講一次 Mother， 請讓我得到自覺。
Slowly clockwise, move it.
好慢㗎，要順時針方向㗎。
Now, please take down your hands.
而家可以放
Open
低
your
手，
eyes.
可以張開眼睛，
Put both the hands towards me like this.
雙手呢係向住Shimadaji。
Now, please put the right hand towards me.
右手向住 Shimadaji。
And bend your head and see for yourself with the left hand if there is a cool or a hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area.
然後左手咧擺上頭頂咧幾寸嘅位置，睇下感唔感覺到咧係有陣陣嘅涼意，抑或係有啲微熱嘅咧？
Now, please don't doubt that there's no air conditioner in your head, you see.
嗱，在呢個場地咧係有冷氣嘅系統，啲工作人員咧請閂一閂嘅冷氣嘅系統。
Sometimes you get it close and sometimes far away, but don't put the hand on top of your head.
呢個陣陣嘅涼風咧，我哋喺頭上幾寸感覺到㗎，唔係就係撳住個頭頂，喺頭上幾寸㗎。有啲人高啲，有啲人低啲。
Now please put the left hand towards me and put down your head and see for yourself with the right hand.
而家咧係交換雙手啦，左手咧係向住 Shimaji， 右手咧擺上頭頂。
If it is hot breeze-like sensation, then it means you have not forgiven.
如果你感覺到咧係有熱嘅咧，即係話咧你冇原諒到人哋啦。
So please forgive now.
你應該去原諒人哋，而家就做啦。
Now please see with the right hand now. Bend your heads, otherwise you cannot feel it properly.
嗱，而家再交換雙手，個頭耷低啲，耷低啲你感覺多啲㗎。
See with the left hand. Better. Now, please put both the hands towards the sky and push back your head.
雙手舉起啦，頭向上仰。
And here you ask any one of these three questions 3 times. Anyone.
我哋問以下呢3個問題，任何一個。
First you can ask, Mother, is this the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost?
我哋首先可以問呢 Mother 呢個係咪就係聖靈嘅涼風呢？
Otherwise you can ask, Mother, is this the all-pervading, formless, divine love?
或者我哋問呢 Mother 呢個係咪就係無形無象嘅上天嘅浩愛呢？
Or lastly you can ask, Mother, is this the Parama Chaitanya?
或者呢，我哋問 Mother 呢個係咪就係無所不在嘅生命能量呢？
Ask any one of these questions 3 times.
問3個問題嘅任何一個3次。
Now please take down your hands.
可以放低手，
Put your hands like this.
雙手呢係咁樣向住 Shimaji 嘅，
And watch me without thinking.
望住 Shimaji， 唔好諗嘢。
All those who have felt cool or hot breeze on their fingertips or on their palms or out of their fontanelle bone area, please raise both your hands.
嗰啲呢感覺到手上有涼風㗎，無論喺個掌心喺手指，感覺到有涼風㗎，或者有熱氣㗎，都舉起你嘅雙手。
May God bless you. So many of you have got it.
願神祝福你哋，好多人都得到佢嘅自覺。
You all have now become saints, and I bow to you.
大家都成為呢係聖人 ，Shimaji 向大家致敬。
So may God bless you. Look after your self-realization.
願神呢祝福大家，希望大家呢係繼續呢係
And you must grow in it.
繼續呢係練習，使到呢個自覺呢能夠得到鞏固。因為呢，我哋得到之後呢，仲要生長嘅。
And discover how glorious you are.
咁我哋會發覺呢，我哋呢係幾咁美好嘅。
May God bless you.
願神祝福大家。
These 2 boys were laughing. Get you. Shall I? follow-up, where do you have the follow-up?
So at the back of the hall we have some handouts. We have follow-up programs for an 8-week course starting on Tuesday night. They will be held at the City Hall, Committee Room North.
喺我哋近門口嘅地方咧有一個台㗎，呢個台面上邊咧係有長刊，長刊上邊咧係記載啦我哋呢個練習班嘅地點同埋時間㗎。咁咧就喺下個禮拜2開始咧就喺大會堂嘅會議室北翼，係星期2晚㗎，7點半鐘開始。
That will be commencing at 7:30 in the evening. That's Tuesday evening.
呢個星期2咧就係喺大會堂嗰處啦。
And also next Saturday, there will be a program held in the Cultural Centre in room AC1.
咁喺星期6啦嘅夜晚咧，喺尖沙咀嘅文化中心咧有另一個嘅班㗎。咁係喺會議室 AC1。
Also commencing at 7:30.
亦係咧7點半開始，即係話有2個班㗎，一個係星期2啦，一個係星期6㗎。
The addresses and all the information are in the leaflets that are given out at the back of the hall if you haven't already got them.
喺長刊上邊咧係寫咗好清楚啦，同各位係冇長刊嘅話咧，可以喺近門口嘅台嗰度咧攞一張。
And we look forward to seeing you all at the programs. We also have registration forms if you would like to register for the course now. You can tonight at the back.
嗰個長刊裏邊咧係貼過一張報名表㗎。大家如果想今晚就報名嘅話咧，係可以即時咧係填寫。
And also, if you'd like to register for more information and courses, then also please fill out the form at the back of the hall. Thank you.
或者你希望收到其他嘅信息㗎，我哋嘅資料㗎咧，你亦可以填寫㗎。
बाहर तो भागे भागे चले आए हैं आपका एपिसोड देखा बाहर अभी
अच्छा उससे पहले देखा ही नहीं था
मालूम ही नहीं था
कमाल है
आप कहाँ कहाँ बुलाती हैं
सहज आ गए तो आ गए सहज आ गए कमाल आता बघितलं तुम्ही
बस से उतरे तो आपका चित्र था सामने
जरा एक बात सुन
डॉली ने बताया इसके बारे में डॉली सिंह आपके बारे में बताया
You come from the Bandra?
No, I stay here. But they got Neetu. She's my master.
Oh, ये nice of you to have come. अब लगिए इसमें अब शांति में आ जाओ कहाँ पड़े हिंदुस्तानी इतने हिंदुस्तानी बाहर गए सब बेकार हो गए मुझे लगता है अब ध्यान दो इधर बहुत जरूरी है परेशानियों पे परेशानियाँ है ना आप इसमें उतरो
आप आशीष करिए
अनंत आशीर्वाद है अनंत आशीर्वाद अभी इन लोग के साथ जरा आओ ये लोग प्रोग्राम करेंगे उसमें जमा लो यही सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है ये पाने के बाद ठीक करने का क्या कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं सब प्रॉब्लम देखिए अभी ये जो भी है ये पायलट है तो कहते हैं कि हम उतरे वहाँ बस से तो देखते हैं आपका फोटो फंक्शन सहज की बात है कमाल की इतनी मिराकल है खुशी हुई अब इसमें लगे इन लोगों से मिलिए यहाँ ये लोग हैं आए हुए एलेक्स these are Indians here would like to come to your programs and things.
talk to Salvani
अपने फोटो आप भेज दीजिए हमारे पास, अच्छा रहेगा, थोड़ी नज़र में चीज़ रहे। अच्छा हाँ, गॉट इट? ओह माय गॉड, व्हाट अ सिंगर, इज अ ट्रेमेंडस सिंगिंग, गॉट इट? Feel the full breathe. Good. Now, master. Siddhi. Siddhi is doing very well. Oh, we have so many groups. We had about 1,000 people. Hello, how are you? Enjoyed yourself? Now enjoy, that's all. देखते चले आ रहे थे आगे बढ़। सर्च का कमाल, चमत्कार इतने हो रहे हैं, अब चमत्कार का ही मतलब चला।
We were almost going back to the hotel.
अच्छा
Actually, the place shut in. इंडिया का सामान होता है।
अच्छा
ये जस्ट कभी ऐसे ही प्रोग्राम बन गया आपकी कृपा से और इकट्ठे सबको लेकर मेरे आ गए।
देखा सबके सब चले आ रहे हैं।
ये ऐसा दिल में था मैंने कहीं ना कहीं शिवाजी के दर्शन शायद हो जाए चंद्र महाराज जी वापस आए।
अरे दिल्ली में सब लोग जानते हैं, किसी को पूछा ही नहीं होगा।
नहीं मैं शिवाजी को बॉम्बे में पूछा तो किसी को मालूम नहीं था, वो कहने लगे वहाँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में
कब भी चले आए। कमाल है, जहाँ प्यार होता है